Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling green hills, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her infectious laughter and radiant smile that could brighten the gloomiest of days. Her positivity was contagious, and she had a knack for finding joy in the simplest things. One sunny morning, as Lily skipped along a narrow path, she stumbled upon an injured bird with a broken wing. Concerned for its well-being, she gently cradled it in her hands and decided to take it home. Lily fashioned a cozy nest for the bird in a shoebox and named it Hope, for she believed that hope could mend even the most broken of wings. Days turned into weeks, and Lily diligently cared for Hope, providing it with food, water, and gentle strokes of affection. She spent hours reading stories to the bird, hoping that the tales of adventure and resilience would inspire it to heal. One day, while Lily was tending to her garden, she heard a faint chirping sound coming from the shoebox. With bated breath, she opened the lid and saw Hope flutter its wings tentatively. A wave of delight washed over Lily's face as she witnessed the bird take flight, soaring high into the sky. Filled with joy, Lily realized that just as she had nurtured Hope back to health, Hope had also nurtured her spirit. She understood that in life, we all encounter setbacks and obstacles, but it is our ability to find hope, even in the darkest moments, that allows us to overcome them. Word of Lily's remarkable story spread throughout the village, inspiring everyone who heard it. People began seeking out their own hope, and discovering the power of resilience and optimism. The village became a beacon of hope, with laughter and smiles radiating from every corner. Years later, when Lily was an old woman, she gathered the villagers and shared her final words of wisdom. Remember, my dear friends, that no matter how broken we may feel, there is always hope. It resides within each and every one of us, waiting to be awakened. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it guide you to a life filled with joy and purpose. The villagers listened intently, their hearts full of gratitude for Lily's enduring spirit. They carried her words in their hearts, forever grateful for the lesson she had taught them, that a simple act of kindness and a belief in the power of hope can change the world, one smile at a time. And so, the village continued to thrive, a testament to the extraordinary impact one person can have on the lives of many. The legacy of Lily and Hope lived on, reminding everyone that within them, they possessed the ability to inspire, to heal, and to create a brighter tomorrow.